Hello all. Uh, we'll see in this video we'll see how to solve four queens problem using FIFO branch and bound. As we have already seen how to solve the four queens problem using backtracking in the fourth unit. Yes, now in this branch and bound unit, the first problem we try to solve is the four queens problem. Yes, four queens problem using FIFO branch and bound. I'll just take a chessboard. Yes, if you remember what is a FIFO branch and bound, at a particular level, whatever the node that is generated first among all the live nodes, we choose that node as an E node. That is FIFO branch and bound. For example, for the queen 1, how many nodes are there? First one is E node. One remains as E node until it is dead node. It means it keep on generating all the nodes it needs to be generated. Queen number 1 has 4 options. It can be placed in column 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 without any branch bounding conditions failure. Remember, we are trying to generate the state space tree with a constraint no two queens are to be placed in the same column. That is the only constraint we are trying to use. Yes, queen number 1 has 4 different options and all the nodes are generated in this order. Now node 1 has become dead node, and among the available live nodes 2, 3, 4, 5, whichever is the node we need to choose as E node 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is the first node generated. Using FIFO branch and bound, the first node generated becomes E node and it will generate the nodes. For queen 2, queen 1 is in the column number 1. We'll start checking for the queen 2 can be placed in column number 2. Can I place queen 2 here? No. The queens got attacked, so we kill this node. Can I place queen 2 in column number 3 when queen 1 is already in column number 1? Yes, we can. Therefore, the node gets not killed. Can I place queen 2 in column number 4 when queen 1 is already in column number 1? Yes, it is also generated. Now we have 7, 8, 3, 4 and 5 as live nodes. Out of all the live nodes, whichever is first generated, node 3 is first generated. Therefore, we start expanding this node. Node 3 has also got 3 possible options: 9, 10 and 11. Queen 1 is already placed in the second column. Now we'll check queen 2 can be placed in first column or third column or fourth column. If queen 1 is placed in second column, can I place queen 2 in the first column? No. The queens got attacked. Therefore, we kill this node. Can I place queen 2 in column number 3? If queen 1 is column number 2, no, the queens got attacked. Therefore, we kill this node. Node number 10 also. It means the bounding conditions are failed. Whenever we are killing the node, the bounding conditions are failed. We don't expand them further. Right? Queen 1 in column number 2. Can I place queen 2 in column number 4? Yes, we can place it happily. No problem. Now the available live nodes are 7, 8, 10 and 7, 8, 11, 4 and 5. Out of all these live nodes, 4 is first generated. Therefore, for FIFO branch and bound, we expand the node 4 further. (12, 13 and 14). Queen 1 is placed in third column. We check queen 2 for 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Queen 1 is placed in the third column. Can I place queen 2 in first column? Yes, no problem. Can I place queen 2 in second column? Queen 1 is in first column. Attacks. Bounding condition fails. 4 also attack. Bounding condition fail. For 5, the next node we should expand is node number 5. 15, 16 and 17. Queen 1 is already placed in column number 4. Therefore, we check queen 2 can be placed in 1, 2, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 columns. If you can say the only bounding condition fails when queen 2 is in the column number 3. Yeah, now you see the live nodes are 7, 8, 11, 12, 15 and 16. Out of all these nodes, whichever is the first node generated, we try to expand only that node. Also, if you observe, we are moving to next level only when all the nodes in the previous level are generated. That is basic branch and bound condition. Yes, okay. Queen 1 in the first column, queen 2 in the third column. We'll check whether queen 3 can be placed in column number 2 and column number 4. If you see, if queen 2 is placed in column 2, gets attacked. Queen 3 placing in column 4, attack. Column 2 also attack. Therefore, the bounding conditions fails for here both 17, 18 and 19. Now 18, 19, 8, 11, 12, 15, 16 are the live nodes. Among these, 8 is the node first generated. Therefore, we try to expand it. Queen 1 in column number 1, queen 2 in column number 4. Therefore, we try to check whether queen 3 can be placed in 2 or 3. When we try to place queen 3 in column 3, already queen 2 is in the column 4. Therefore, it got attacker and the bounding condition fails here, but not here. 20 and 21. Here it remains. Alright. Okay. The next live node we should expand is node number 11. Queen 1 in second column, queen 2 in fourth column. Therefore, we check whether we can place queen 3 in column number 1 or 3. For 3, the bounding conditions fails. For 1, no bounding conditions are failed. 22, 23. The next node we should generate is node number 12. We should expand it. Queen 1, third column, queen 2, first column. Queen 1, third column, queen 2, first column. Therefore, we check for column number 2 and 4 for queen 3. When it is in the column number 2, the queens got attacked and bounding conditions fails, but not here. 24 and 25. We also expand next node number 15, 26 and 27. 4, 1. 4, 1. Therefore, 2 and 3. But for 2, bounding conditions fails, but not for 3. We should expand next as 16. 4 and 2. 4, 2. Therefore, we check for 1, 3. At both times, it got attacked. Queen got attacked at both times. It got killed at 28 and 29. Now, among all these nodes in the sense 20, 21, 22, 23, 21, 22, 25, 27. Whichever is the node to be expanded for the next level, 20. Since it is first in, we try to expand node number 20. 1, 4, 2. 1, 4, 2. Only remain option is 3. If we generate queen 4 in 3, queen got attacked. Bounding conditions fails. Next node 22. If node 22 is expanded, 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1 and 3 is the only option left for queen 4, and we can place it successfully. Therefore, it is an answer node. We reach the leaf node without any bounding conditions failure. Then it is an answer node. If you look at the tree, this is the FIFO branch and bound. The solution for the 4 queens problem using FIFO branch and bound. Also, in order to understand the clear difference between the backtracking and branch and bound, in the backtracking, we keep on generating the nodes till the bounding conditions fails, and we move back to extract the remaining possible solutions. But using branch and bound, it is not possible. Since all the nodes in the previous level are generated, then only we move to the next level. Therefore, going back and generating the remaining solutions using recursion is not possible in the branch and bound. That is the basic key difference.